I'm not gonna lie, the smell from those bras is disgusting. Interesting though. The bra fence. There you go, people. So here's the deal. Because of the rain the last 4 days, there's like extremely bad flooding and most of the roads are washed out. There's no possible way I can get to Milford Sound today because the roads are all closed. Apparently they had to rescue 200 tourists that got stuck there by helicopter because one of the roads washed out and nobody could get out. Anyways, I'm gonna go up to Haast Pass again today, and it's supposed to be clear up there, and give that a go. Let's see how this works out. This is hands down the most beautiful forest I've ever been in. Like, it literally looks like Washington State with all the moss all over the trees. It's super damp. Gosh, it's so beautiful. So right now I'm walking up the Haast Pass lookout trail, and you can get steep. At least they have switchbacks here. Grateful for that. Starting to break the tree line now. See here, mountain range right behind me. It's pretty badass. We are, made it to the top. It's absolutely gorgeous up here. Wow. Such an amazing view. I'm gonna hike back down. I'll keep driving down the pass, see what else I can find. Alright people, I got camp set up for the night. I'm in a great location. Beautiful sunset. It was such a nice day today. I'm so grateful because it's just been raining the last 4 days. Had a great day of filming and I actually wrecked the drone about 20 minutes ago. I was trying to fly through this tunnel and completely wrecked it. It's okay though. I'll put it in here so you can see it. And unfortunately, I couldn't go to Milford Sound because of road closures, but it's okay. I got to go up to Haast Pass, and that was awesome. Had a nice little hike, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.